I would highly recommend the Eagle's Nest to any families who are considering moving their kids into preschool or pre-K.
They taught him how to be independent, problem solve. It gave him the opportunity to be on his own and learn things on his own.
They were really personalized to him and helped him and really any struggles that he had.
The environment here is just so nice. It's open, it's welcoming, it's comfortable. Our kids love it.
I love the communication that we have with the staff. I love how they're constantly updating us on things maybe we could work on or highlighting the things that our kids are doing well at.
We went and walked down a riverbank and he's telling me about the moss and the spider webs.
It's just so much more than we could have hoped for. Our kids are outside all the time. They know about deciduous trees and conifer trees.
Each thing that they're learning about, they're getting to see and touch and feel, and they come home and they're more excited to tell you about their day and what they've learned.
Being able to go outdoors, they may go play out in the rain. They can play in the mud, and just being out in nature was really cool to me.
I mean, it's been really awesome just seeing him use his mind.
We're really lucky that we get to take part in parent workshops. We're here for the family functions like Thanksgiving. Everybody brings a dish and everybody gives thanks, and it's all the kids are there and all the parents are there.
It's like everyone's welcome, everyone's accepted.
There's really an emphasis on the experience of learning and not just the things that they're learning. They're fostering this curiosity and excitement. They're having fun. They're growing. They're thriving. They're learning great habits. They're more independent. They want to do things for themselves. And I think our experience at the Eagle's Nest has been an awesome adventure in learning.